In this video, I'll show you how to change the cPanel password, which is essential for keeping your WordPress site secure. First, we'll log into cPanel, which can be accessible through your hosting account, or just open another tab and type your domain name, followed by /cPanel. And the login screen should open. Alternatively, if it doesn't work, just type your domain name once again, followed by : and port 2083. You should be presented with the cPanel login screen. Now let's log into cPanel. Let's add the username and the password. And press login. Once logged in, click on the tools and then scroll all the way to the bottom. And there should be the preferences section. Look for the password and security option. In case you don't see this option, at the top right corner, click on the user menu and then look for password and security. Then in the old password field, type in your old password. Then you have an option of creating a new custom password, but if you choose to do so, make sure to use upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Alternatively, you can use the password generator to create a strong password. As in my case, I already have a strong password which I want to use, so I'll just close this window and paste the new password in the new password field. And finally, confirm your new password by typing in the last field. It's going to show you how strong it is. In my case, it's very strong. And finally, once you click change your password now, you'll be automatically logged out from your cPanel account. So let's click change your password now. As you can see, I was just logged out. Now let me log into my account once again with the new password. And as you can see, the cPanel password was successfully changed. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. For more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.